Alright guys, so I said I wasn't going to get you back in with more of the sanding, but this is all stripped out now. We've got everything done, and we've got a coat of metal green on there to treat the raw metal. Now what I found is the enamel on this thing was that heavy that I ended up using a 4-inch grinder with the same plastic type stripper wheel on it. Just turning the grinder a bit harder than the drill made it come off so much quicker. Like that entire top section and down through the lip inside there, we did in like the time it probably took me to do this front section here on the guard. And then we finished and polished it up with the one on the drill because it runs a bit slower and a bit smoother. And then we've hit it with the metal green. So now that is pretty much ready for probably tomorrow night or the night after. We'll get in, give it a quick hit with the 80 grit on a DA and get some acid etch on it and a coat of high fill. Right, thanks a lot, see you later.